Observe lang.
Always star sa labas. Always ang star sa labas.
So is this correct? Yes or no? Yes, this is correct way. So dapat mag-unfold tayo ng flag. Sa loob yung red. Tapos you're going to fold it in a triangular form. And then always yung isang star ay nasa labas. Okay. So what do you call this? Ito dito sa lapis ko. What do you call this one here? Yung mga nasa scouting, what do you call this? A Boy Scout. You call this you know, itong tawag natin dito ang fly. Fly. Okay, fly. Tapos ito kung saan natin nagkatali. Ito ang hoist. Malakay natin yan, abi. Iano mo yun. At saka never ang fly, iano mo, yung ganyan. It's a no-no. Kailangan talaga nasa tamang para ng pag-fold, pagtutupi, at saka wag mo itong ida-drag yung flag natin. Okay. So, magsisimula tayo sa Abigail. Iwanan ba? Magisutan, 1, 2, this, SOL, operator, and sequence. Okay. Okay, so the flag and the heraldic code. What are these?
Code of etiquette.
Okay. Simula tayo ito, Ang flag ay ginagamit natin, ito palagi natin din. Ang national flag natin ay shall not be played or sung to mere recreation lamang. So, hindi lang yung pa-added attraction ng yung national flag natin. Okay. And then, it is always, as always, ang flag international company where the Philippines is a host or as a representative. So, kailangan nandun yung flag natin. Next, ang ating tabag nasa national or local competition. Okay. So, makikinig natin yung lupang hinirang natin during the sign-off and sign-off of radio and television broadcast. Doon natin nakita yan, makikinig. Okay. Before ang initial or last screen of the film, nasa loob ng sine ay meron itong pabansamawid. Tapos, yung sa civic activities, any civic activities, meron tayong kumakanta tayo ng ating lupang hinirang. Okay, saan natin pwede makikita yung mga ating national flag? Privately owned entities or offices display the national flag are hereby directed to comply strictly with the rules prescribed for the rendition of the national anthem. Okay. So, hindi lang, di ba, yung motto ng Pilipinas ay makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa. Okay. So, ito yung National Coat of Arms. Ano ito? Okay, so ang made of 2 pieces, ito yung palagi natin magkikita yung symbol ito, palagi, di ba, especially yung mga nasa, sa mga, yung mga logo, sa mga badges, nakikita natin ito. Tapos yung seal, ito ang seal. Okay. So the Great Seal shall be affixed to a place or placed upon a commission signed by the President and upon other official documents and papers of the Republic of the Philippines as may be provided by the law or may be required as a custom and usage. The President shall have custody of the Great Seal. Ito yung mga official seals and other heraldic items and devices. Nandun pa rin yung logo ng Pilipinas. So any branch of the government, whether national or local, government-owned or controlled corporations, state colleges and universities, including the military, may adopt appropriate coat of arms. Seal, logo, insignia, badges, patches, banner and initiate awards, trophies, citations, order of decorations as may be authorized by the office of the President or by the Congress. These heraldic devices and items shall be filled with the Institute for Recording and Evaluation as to precedence, design, customs, and traditions. So, ito yung mga heraldic. Okay. So, ganun pa rin. Kahit ganito yung ng ating badges or yung ganun pa rin yung tatlong bituin. Okay. So, makikita pa rin natin yan, di ba? Components of heraldry must be featured in the indigenous Filipino culture, values, history, tradition, and sense of nationalism. Okay. Ito yung sagisag ng Pilipinas, pango ng Pilipinas. So, nandun pa rin. Hindi nga siya parang hindi nga siya yung flag na katulad ng flag, pero nandun pa rin. Yung sun at saka yung 8 rays ng sun. Ito mga iba't ibang heraldic items. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay. So, bakit kailangan tayo pag-aralin yung bakit kailangan natin malaman tungkol sa tungkol sa flag natin, tungkol sa heraldic, mga heraldic items. Kasi, sabi ni Misty, kailangan tayo mga Hekasi teachers, alam natin, ilan yung, let's say, palang bata magtatanong, ilan yung rays ng sun. Dapat alam natin yun. At saka, what it symbolizes. So, dapat alam natin yun para ma-inculcate talaga sa mga bata. Okay.